What's up, YouTube? Today we're walking through Jamaica Avenue in Queens. Making a stop at Shake Shack, let's check out the sights and this iconic area. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahim Young. I create travel, food, and adventure videos. Hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. Now, let's dive in. So we're here in Queens, New York, checking out Jamaica Avenue. Such a nice vibe. Hey, the hustle here is real, I'm not gonna lie. So busy. Super busy. Yeah, such a vibe. You wanna say hi? Yeah, so let's walk and check out Jamaica Avenue for you guys to see. I feel like the buses in New York come every minute, every 30 seconds. There's a bus behind each other. Barber shop right there. This is the great Jamaica Avenue, Queens. Yeah, super busy. Crazy busy today. I think it's the rush hour. Crazy hot deals. A bag for Prince, eh? What you said the store is again, baby?
It's like a store where you have like Amazon, Walmart, all that stuff, and like on certain days, everything is like $4 or everything.
It's like the Amazon returns?
It on the door.
Like the Amazon returns or something like that?
Returns, probably, but like, yeah. Pretty cool.
Jamaica Avenue. Everybody's outside hustling. That's one thing I like about New York, is the hustle. Yes.
Mostly for me, it's like the shopping and stuff. So
Shopping?
I know you're the foodie.
Yeah. So you wanna bring? Yeah, you're bringing me to Shake Shack. This is the Shake Shack on Jamaica Avenue. There's beer and wine on the menu. Strawberry frosted milkshake and a hot dog, and then you have the Shack burger. So we're trying the Shack burger at Shake Shack on Jamaica Avenue, Queens, New York.
Is the meat supposed to be that red?
It's juicy and nice though. You try? That's a nice burger, that's good. Isn't it good? So good.
It is good. It's really good.
So good. The bun is so soft, and the Shack sauce, I like it.
That's probably really good.
And then we have the, what is that shake called again?
It's
Strawberry.
strawberry frosted donut.
And we have the strawberry frosted donut milkshake. That sounds like a lot of sugar. Sounds unhealthy, but let's see how it is.
How is it? Sweet? Extra sweet?
It's like not overly sweet, but like the perfect amount of sweet actually. It's really good.
This is for Kiari. The donut.
That's for Kiari.
You forgot to ask.
May I have a bite, please?
Yes.
The hot dog is smoky.
Kiari, here's your hot dog. Have the hot dog first.
So we just finished Shake Shack. Yeah, that was nice, ain't baby? Yeah, the food was good. Chanel is checking out the store. They have some nice deals in there.
Mommy, I wish you could get a bag for me.
You have a lot of bags, Mama.
Yes, can you buy one for me?
Kiari wants everything.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Kiari wants us to go back to see if there's a heart bag in here. But there's a lot of deals. $3.99, $7 rack, $5 rack, $8. You like the heart bag, Mommy?
Yeah. I'm gonna...
You like that one?
I have a red dress at home.
You do.
I just want to wear it. I want to buy it for me.
You know what I'm saying? I seen you on something. I was on the bus.
Something.
And I go there and there's a Jollibees as well.
I was just gonna say. That's it.
Having fun? Shana is gonna go check out Burlington or the H&M. It's nice in here, baby.
I'm happy.
Is there H&M in? There's like 1 and 2 over back in Toronto, right, baby?
Mommy, do you want to go on the
There's a good amount.
Do you want to go on the elevator?
The escalator?
Yeah, I want to go. I'm not going to be scared.
Okay.
I'm going to step on the yellow line.
Good job between the yellow line.
Checking out the H&M on Jamaica Avenue. Look at Kiari. She wants everything. Miss excited.
Yes! Yay, I'm so excited!
Wow, it matches your beads. So cute.
I want to buy this.
Okay.
Mommy, can I buy this? Can I buy this?
Yeah, you can buy it.
I give you a lot of money, so you have money and I don't have money. Kids don't have money. You know it that I have this. You know it. Mom, Mommy, I'm gonna try this on, Mommy.
What happened, Mommy?
Look at my shoes.
You like that one?
It's from Elsa.
It's who?
It fits me. I'm good. Look at this.
Are you gonna pay with your own money?
Yeah. But I don't have money, so I don't have a pocket. I'm not, well, it's not in my hands or anything, and I don't have a pocket.
Bless you, baby. Kiki, you having fun, Mama? It's nice weather today. And beautiful New York, Queens, New York. The next day we went to Bronx to look for my mother. We're all here in New York, in the Bronx, with my mother. Yeah, we walk into the Golden Cross. Inside the restaurant is clean and inviting with a cozy atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. We're here at Golden Cross trying to get some lunch. Yeah, it's really nice in here. The customer service is pretty good. Right here in Bronx, New York. We had the barbecue and fried chicken and it was absolutely delicious. The food was really good. That was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that like and share button so more people can see this video, and hit that subscribe button to be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.